In this video, I'm going to be showing you 9 different ways that you can use GoHighLevel for dentists to get more customers, to get back old customers, and to automate a bunch of tasks to save you time. So GoHighLevel is an all-in-one tool with a lot of different features, which is great, but it can be kind of hard to get started with. So if you are a dentist or you work with dentists, then this video should help you out. Now first, of course, you will need to have a GoHighLevel account, which if you don't, you can claim an extended 30-day free trial through the link down in the description instead of the regular 14 days. So after claiming the 30-day free trial, from there you want to go and set up a sub account. Now at sign up, they will have you do this already. And what you want to do is for this snapshot, they have a really good built-in dentist snapshot. So just go to dental and click on select and continue. And then here enter your business's details such as your address, your name, email, etc. Then after you set up a sub account, you can then switch to it by clicking in the top left. Then just go to that sub account. So now we can actually start using GoHighLevel. So GoHighLevel really is a fantastic way to automate patient communication, improve scheduling, boost reviews, and grow your practice through marketing. So here are 9 different ways that you can use GoHighLevel for doing that. First is for lead generation and appointment booking. So you can go and connect GoHighLevel to Facebook or Google Ads, as well as adding website forms to your already existing website or creating your website through GoHighLevel. And you can create landing pages or special offers, for example, free teeth whitening with your first visit. And I'll show you how to do that. First, connecting Facebook or Google Ads can be done right here through marketing and lead generation. And right here you have capture new leads with Facebook and Instagram ads, which if you click on it, you can then go and set up your Facebook ads. And right here through the integrations, which you'll find in settings, you can also connect your location's Google account. Now while you're here, I would also set up anything else that you use. For example, if you use Stripe, you can connect it. If you use QuickBooks, you can connect it, or Google Calendar, or any of these other apps right here. Now next, the website forms can be found in Sites, and then here you can go to Forms, and then you can build a form, and then you can just export that and add it to your existing website. Or again, you can create a website through GoHighLevel, where they do have a bunch of templates already that are pre-built specifically for dentists. So the tools in GoHighLevel that you can use for lead generation and appointment booking include the funnel builder for promos like Invisalign, implants, whitening, and then you have the forms and surveys to collect name, email, phone, and preferred appointment time. And you have the online calendar for direct booking, which syncs with Google Calendar. So you can go into calendars right here, and then you can create a calendar. Now next, how you can also use GoHighLevel is for automated follow-up and reminders, which I think is very good, especially for dentists. So you can automate follow-ups so staff doesn't have to call or text everyone manually. So a workflow example could be a lead books a consult, and then you send an immediate SMS confirmation, and I'll show how to do that. Then, for example, 24 hours before the appointment, there is an SMS and email reminder, and then let's say 1 hour before, another SMS or email or an optional voicemail drop, whatever you want to do. So in order to set up automations, just go to automation right here. And then from here, you can already see that they have a few marketing workflows, but you can also create your own. And then if you start from scratch, you will go to the builder, and then you can add a new trigger. So for example, when a contact is created, or for example, a customer booked an appointment is a better one in this case. So when a customer booked an appointment as the trigger, and they can add plus. So what do you want to have happen? So in this case, I will send an SMS. So then here you can write, hi, thanks for booking an appointment, etc. And then you also have your custom values. So for example, in the appointment section, you can add the start time or the start date of the appointment. So when I add start dates, I can say, hi, thanks for booking an appointment on, and then it will show the start date. And then you can say add, and then here you can click on the custom values, and then you can add the start time. Now you can also just do a start date time, but I'll do it like this. So thanks for booking an appointment on this date and this time, and then it will automatically enter that. And then here you can add your test phone number to test if it works, and then just click save action. And that means that when somebody books an appointment, they will receive that email. So that's how you can set up an automation. Now another thing that I would recommend setting up is missed call text back. So if the office misses a call, GoHighLevel can instantly send a text message to the person who called. So for example, hi, sorry we missed your call, how can I help you? So to set this up, go to settings, and then here under business profile, if you scroll to the bottom, you'll see looking for missed call text back settings. You can now find these settings under voicemail and missed call in advanced settings. So you can just go to missed call text back settings right there. And then from here you can go to voicemail and missed call text back. And from here you can then send an automated message and you can go and enable it right here. Now you will need to connect to your phone number for this. Then next you can also use GoHighLevel for patient reactivation campaigns. So you can use GoHighLevel to bring back old or inactive patients. So you could set up an automated sequence where you say, hi, name, we haven't seen you in a while, ready for your 6-month cleaning, book now and get 10% off. So a way to do this is to segment your list by appointment date and run seasonal promotions. So for example, back to school checkups, year-end insurance use reminders, etc. Now if you have a list of your old customers who have left, what you can do is just import that entire list into your contacts right here. So you can just click on import contacts, and then here you can import your contacts from an entire list. So you can click next, and then here you can upload it. And then you can add a specific tag to them and run an automation for that specific list. The next way you can use GoHighLevel as a dentist is to get more reviews on Google. So they have something called reputation management. So you can go here into reputation, and then right here you can connect your Google business profile, configure reviews AI, and send review requests. So this is very good for also getting more people in the door, since you will rank higher if you have a lot of Google reviews and they are very good. So this way you can just send automated requests to people who have come into your practice. So for example, you could have a workflow when you tag a patient as appointment completed, which you can also set as automated after the appointment time. You can then send a trigger SMS or email, such as thanks for visiting the practice name. Would you mind leaving a quick review, and then the Google review link. Next, you can also use GoHighLevel for two-way SMS chatting and your email inbox. So use GoHighLevel's unified inbox, which you can find here under conversations, for confirming and rescheduling appointments, answering quick patient questions, and reducing front desk phone load. Now all of this does kind of rely on you really implementing GoHighLevel into your business, so getting the phone numbers and also using GoHighLevel's calendars, or at least connecting your calendar to GoHighLevel so that everything is automated. Now when you sign up, GoHighLevel will offer for free to help you set up your account, and you can talk to a team member that works at GoHighLevel and they will talk you through this. Now another way you can use GoHighLevel is the pipeline for lead and patient management. So you can go to the opportunities and you can create a pipeline with different stages such as new lead, booked appointment, no show, treatment plan accepted, completed, and for example upsell opportunities. Then you can also use GoHighLevel for marketing campaigns such as sending bulk emails or SMS for promotions such as free teeth whitening month or new services, holiday greetings, referral requests, etc. GoHighLevel also has a web chat widget and an AI widget. So if you go to AI agents, you have conversation AI, which you can train based on your website and then add to your website to book appointments, and then it will also be connected to the calendar or to do general support. So that's 9 different ways you can use GoHighLevel as a dentist, but there is even a lot more since GoHighLevel just offers so many different things. But an example of how you can use it is, for example, a lead fills out a free exam form, which you can again create in Sites. And for example, you already have the dental offer right here that they have already created. So you can create some kind of an offer, for example, come in for a teeth whitening. And then when they submit the form, you can then send an immediate SMS. So thanks name, let's schedule your visit. Click here and then a calendar link. And then an auto reminder before the appointment. Then after the appointment, send a review request. And they can tag as a patient and add to future reactivation campaigns. So that is just an example of how you can use GoHighLevel, but it really depends on your specific business, and therefore I do recommend when you sign up to take the onboarding call, since they will also help you with setting up all your systems. Now again, if you want to claim an extended 30-day free trial to GoHighLevel instead of the usual 14 days, you can claim that through the link down in the description. So now you know how you can use GoHighLevel for dentists. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.